Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity through photovoltaic cells. Photovoltaic cells are made of semiconductor materials like silicon. Solar energy is a renewable source, making panels environmentally friendly. The efficiency of solar panels varies, with most commercial panels around 15 to 20%. Solar panels have no moving parts, reducing maintenance requirements. The first practical solar cell was developed in 1954 by Bell Labs. Solar panels work even on cloudy days, although efficiency may decrease. The energy payback time for solar panels is typically 1 to 4 years. Thin-film solar panels are lighter and more flexible than traditional ones. The cost of solar panels has significantly decreased over the past decade. Solar panel installations in the US increased by 19% in 2020. Solar panels generate DC electricity, which is converted to AC for use. The photovoltaic effect was first observed by Alexander Edmund Becquerel. Space missions, like the Voyager probes, use solar panels for power. Solar panel recycling processes are evolving to manage electronic waste. The efficiency of solar panels can be affected by dust, dirt, or bird droppings. China is the largest producer of solar panels, dominating global manufacturing. Solar panels can be installed on residential rooftops, commercial buildings, etc. Solar panels can last 25 to 30 years or more with proper maintenance. Solar panel technology continues to advance, with improvements in efficiency. The International Space Station utilizes solar panels for its power needs. Solar panels are used to power off-grid locations and remote areas. Solar panels reduce greenhouse gas emissions, aiding in climate change mitigation. Solar panel installations are growing in both developed and developing nations. Solar panels are a key component in grid-tied and off-grid solar systems. The largest solar power plant is the Bodla Solar Park in India. Solar panels contribute to energy independence by reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Solar panels can be integrated into building materials like solar roof tiles. Solar panel adoption is encouraged through government incentives globally. Solar panels can operate effectively in a wide range of temperatures. The demand for solar panels is driven by decreasing installation costs. Solar panels are silent during operation, producing no noise pollution. Solar panels require minimal water for maintenance compared to other power sources. Solar panels produce electricity without emitting air pollutants or greenhouse gases. Solar panels can be installed in various orientations for optimal sunlight. Solar panels are being developed for integration into clothing and accessories. Solar panels play a crucial role in decentralized energy production. Solar panels can provide power to remote and off-grid telecommunications. Solar panels can be used to charge electric vehicles and portable devices. Solar panels have a low environmental impact compared to fossil fuels. Solar panels can help reduce the vulnerability of power grids to outages. Solar panels on a large scale can create jobs in manufacturing and installation. Solar panels contribute to energy security by diversifying power sources. Solar panels can be used in disaster relief efforts for temporary power. Solar panels contribute to resilience by decentralizing the energy infrastructure. Solar panels can be integrated into shading devices for dual functionality. Solar panels are scalable and can be designed for various energy needs. Solar panels are becoming more aesthetically pleasing with innovative designs. Solar panels can be used for water desalination in areas with water scarcity. Solar panels can be monitored and controlled remotely for efficient operation.